Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Hafiz, and I am from TRPLA. And in this video, I want to explain about my assignment to make a web for kurban. What is a kurban? Kurban is the Islam religion, one of Islam. Apa ya? A big days in Islam is for worship for God. Then it's inspired by Prophet Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail. So in this worship we what we slain we slain like a god, cow, buffalo, and like the animals that have a permission to slaying them in this day. Maybe you feel like it's just as harmless as no this after we slain this animal we share the place among our neighborhood for the for the poor one, for the someone that never eat meat before, they can get this flesh of meat. Okay, let's begin for the web. Okay, we open in here. This is wait. Maybe I will try to inform you about. Oh, you can click this to log out. Okay, so in this web I have 5 role. The first one is admin, the second is just a leader, the third is the one responsible team for the animal, and the fourth is for the distribution, and the last is treasure for your like payment. I think about accounting. Okay, in this video, in this explanation, I use Laravel as a framework, and for the language is PHP, and for the database I use MySQL. So maybe I begin with the code first. Yeah, in this video I made a lot of migration. The first one is user. Wait a minute, it's like lagging in here, and as you can see in here, it's just email. Email plus token. Oh, maybe it's not here. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, in here I add a role in here with role admin. Just I already said before, this is the leader, this is bendahara, is Indonesian language. For treasure, this is team for animal, this is team for distribution or team coupon. Oh, I have a lot of roles actually, but only 5 roles that I use in my web. So if you want to upgrade this web, you can. Okay, let's go to the next. Maybe we're for an animal. This this is for migration for animal. There only I just input 2 animal in here. The first one is goat or sheep. I think it's different, but it's just as one animal. And for sheep, for the decimal, this is for your weight of your animal. This is a price of the animal, and this is where the sheep come from what farm or somewhere else. And this is for the picture, but I don't, maybe in this video I don't use for the picture our animal, so you can you can you you can don't use this migration for photo hewan. And the next is status. This is for your animal status, like it's already slain or it's already distribution, it's it meets. And there are only 3 status in here. And then wait a minute, what is this? Oh, this is for the cow, because in our religion, for like a cow, for Idul Adha, or for it's need 7 people to what's this mean, to do a korban thing, like they buy the cow with 7 people's money, I think. I'm so sorry. eh, yeah, it's okay. And then this is for, wait a minute, what is this? Oh, I know, this is for the people that want to do the kurban. There's the name, this is a phone number, address, this is what animal do you want to choose, a cow or a goat or sheep. And in this is for like beliefness. You can use like your mom that's already passed away, your parents, your child, you can use their name for kurban, so it show like your worship to the god, like it's really grateful, I think. I don't know in English what this I don't know. And this is for the a team that, like as I said before, this is for if you want to choose cow for your kurban, so this table is useful, but it's not necessary. And this is for your RD animal. And then this is status for your payment, like that. This is for session of your contribution, distribution, not contribution. This is for accounting for the treasure. This is for the people that get your animal flesh, your meat. And then this is for add Fonte token to automatically send the notification that's for the one who kurban. This is for migration, and in the models, same with the migration, is for the table that can contain that data. Provider, for the authentication I use, what is this, Laravel Breeze. And then the service, there's Fontaine here. And then for the UI, for the look of your web, is in Vue, so there's many folder and file in here. So every folder there are like create, edit, index if they're used, so you can add the code there. If not, just let it be. And then I make a database seeder for like you don't want to make a new user, so I just use the database seeder here. There's a role admin, leader, treasure, team for the animal, and team for distribution. Okay, and then you can running your local server with the PHP artisan serve. and then your local will running, and then your web will show in this local server, and then you can click in here. So you just need to fill with your database either that you already made. Hey, what's happened? I'm sorry, I think I'm flu. I just need to add admin, I think, and then you can fill with in this placeholder. And for the password, there's also in there. I can give you for the role duty or assignment. For admin, he can access every function and every page in here, but what is this? But the thing that only admin can change is for manage the API from WhatsApp for PhonePe. This one is accessible with a role theme for your animal, and this two page is accessible with role leader. And for the session distribution, these two is for the team role team distribution, and this is for treasure, and this is team for distribution too. Okay, let's begin the system one. The first thing is like you want to buy a new animal like a cow or sheep. I just buy the sheep because it's donate team the people that want kurban, so it's 7 people to kurban a cow. So we just choose the decide to choose a sheep. This is the location where your sheep come from. I want see kandang on the sheep. And then for this is the weight of your animal, maybe 23 kilogram, and for the price maybe around 15 million, I think. And then save your animal, and then this is the list of your animal. And then if there's someone who want to kurban but they don't have the animal, so you can buy in here. So click in here for in page panitia and warga and tambah Mudodi. This is at Mudodi, and you can use this is for the name. This is your WhatsApp. This is the address of the people who want to do kurban. Maybe Jakarta City. This is animal that you choose, cow or a goat or a sheep. I use a sheep. This is for the people who want to get the, I think, kind. I forgot kind. Blessing. I don't know. Maybe your mother. Let's check. Okay, it's still running. So this is that will show that the sheep that we already make buy in the page hewan kurban. So it's showing here. This is already paid or unpaid. We just pay the paid. So if you click this save, this automatically add money from your someone who do the kurban, so it's saved in this page of account for money. So because the in this page we buy the animal, we got the this one, and after the someone buy, so it's same. I forgot to do it. So there's zero saldo in our account. And then after already buy, so the someone who slain the animal can change the status, like it's already slain. There are the notification from your WhatsApp that's already sent. Let's see in our WhatsApp. As you can see, this one, oh, it's can send. This is how the look. Let's just distribution maybe. But before that, you must add the API token from Fonte. And then, oh, I still non-active our notification, so the note will send. You must save and on this toggle, and then let's no, let's just change the status, and then there is an alert in here, and see your WhatsApp. So there's send, that's the Dodi for code SP2. Okay, and then after the animal already slain, so there's a meat and flesh there, so we can begin the session for share our meat and flesh from the animal, like this. This is for the session. This is the date, and this is the time begin from, and this is end from, and this is the location that you share your meat from the animal, and this is the quota. We just need the 3 maybe, and save. And this is the role for distribution team, but we use the admin so we can do all the thing in here. And then we can add, this is for cow team, so it's need a 7%, 7, yeah, 7. And then this is for the people who get the animal meat and flesh, so you can add the name in here, just a name. This is the category. So in Islam there is someone who can receive this animal meat and flesh, so there's like maybe what in English, priority. So the priority one is the someone like poor one, like they have no like place to live, like that maybe. And then there's also the someone who slain the animal. There's a resident of nearby of this kurban that's already diadakan. It's hot. We choose for the poor one and choose the session, so just manage session in here and save. and we will go to the this list. As you can see in this already receive the meat. This is not yet. So this is the code for the coupon that the person needs to change this coupon for the fresh meat like that, and copy. But for the real one is like maybe barcode, I think, but it's also just like coupon with this code like that. And go to the scan code, and you just need to write down in here and click. So there's a coupon is valid for the name we receive is Rusi. The category is poor one. The session is session afternoon clutter one like that. So in this session distribution for the name that's Rusi is already received like that. Okay. For the account one, so it's already automatically for the Kurban one. But if there's like in your mouse there is like another transaction, like in category there's a donation like that. There's also that's the most need like cleaning service like that, or electronic service, or for the documentation they need to pay. So there's this is the function of this page for account. Maybe that's all about my web, I think. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.